right, my next HelloFresh meal, I've only ordered 2. This is the second one. It is sweet and smoky pork tenderloin. That's the meat, and the rest of the stuff is in the bag. All right, y'all, this is how some of this stuff comes packaged. This is the sweet and smoky pork tenderloin. You got the potatoes, the apple. This comes with a carrot and apple salad. You've got scallions, sour cream. This is some paprika spice blend, and this is mayonnaise, okay? And then you have some white wine vinegar, and then 2 jars of cherry preserves, which I'm gonna have to stay away from. But what this is, it's gonna be mashed potatoes and the carrot apple salad, and then the tenderloin. And I will try to kind of walk you through how it's very simple. The only thing that I've had to use, that you have to use, of course, your own pots and pans and stuff like that, but butter and olive oil is really the only thing that I've had to use other than what comes in the bag. So, too bad they don't send somebody to cook it for you, huh? But I'll try to walk y'all through this and show you how it's done and what it looks like and all when we're finished. But so far, I am very impressed. They tell you what all you need. Bust out a medium bowl, a baking sheet, large pot, tells you everything that you're gonna need, and then the olive oil and the butter. And then there's all the ingredients that are gonna be in the bag. And then they give you step-by-step instructions. Position the middle rack, preheat to 450, wash and dry the produce, you cook the potatoes, put the pork on there, and make the carrot and apple, they're calling it slaw, mashed potatoes. And then there is what it's going to look like finished. So, but very simple. It says like this is easy, and they've started selling wine. So they tell you what kind goes, how to pair wine with the meal. Pork is fully cooked when it's 145, and but all the tips and tricks and everything is right here. And it usually, and there's, it gives you a little list of all the ingredients that are going to be in the bag. And the prep time is 10 minutes, 40 minutes total, and then the calories is 780. But okay, I've got the potatoes on the boil. I have got the vinegar and mayonnaise in the carrots. I guess you put the apple in a little later so it won't turn brown. And I'm fixing to get the pork roast in the oven. I got my onions chopped. So this is the cherry sauce, and they said save this, we will use later. This is going to go in the potatoes, and then that goes on the roast, I believe. So, but it's coming along, y'all. I got the cherry sauce made. It was the 2 little jars of cherry jam, I guess, and the rest of the vinegar and some of the seasoning that I put on the pork tenderloin. And half of the scallions are going in the slaw and apple. I'm gonna wait about the apple, do it last, and then half is going in the potatoes. And then I have the tenderloin in here cooking. So, easy peasy, y'all. Okay, I have got the potatoes done, the scallions, the sour cream, salt, pepper, and oh, and some butter. I had to have some butter. So, and y'all, I got this little bitty, we're empty nesters, as most of you know. I got this little bitty tater masher, and it has been the handiest thing. It just fits right in my regular utensil drawer. It's not big and bulky, and it's perfect for little small servings. So, and I gotta add some salt and pepper to this. I'm still waiting on the roast over there, and then I'm waiting to put the apple in there so it don't turn brown in the cherry sauce that's done. And then we're gonna be ready to eat, y'all. Okay, here's the finished plates. Robert's looks a little better than mine. I didn't put the cherry sauce on mine because I'm allergic, so I guess I'll get me some Bob sauce or something to put on mine. Real easy and tastes wonderful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and God bless.